Hi, my name's John. Welcome to the first Sunday of the month. In fact, it's the first Sunday of the year. I'd like to take this opportunity to wish everybody a happy and prosperous and healthy new year. Being the first Sunday means it's time for the monthly draw. I'm going to go upstairs, press some buttons on the computer and see if we can find a winner. Right, Jonathan Easton, all you've got to do is send me an email, that's my email address up there, and I'll get this posted off to you. There'll be a double boost cabinet as well, and one or two other little bits and pieces. Right, Ian Walls, 4191, all you have to do is send me an email, that's my email address up there, and I'll get those posted off to you as soon as possible. I'm going to do another draw, which will be sort of a January draw. It'll be a January draw. If you want to enter the competition, all you need to do is obviously watch the video, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends if you can please, and in the comments box you must write this comment, wrote exactly like this. It'll be 2025 give away one, just like that. 2025 give away one. No capital letters, no full stops, just like that, and my computer will pick out a winner from that. I'm going to show the prizes for this month's giveaway now. Right, this month's prizes, double boost hat, there's still some of these left if anybody wants one. Set of Cleveland drills, a nice little deburring tool from my friend Robert Plasma, and to keep your drills alive, some anchor loop. If you want to buy anchor loop, just type in anchor loop eBay and you'll find the lad that sells the stuff and supplies me with it. It is good gear. 4 nice little prizes, certainly well worth it. Now, last Wednesday's nightcap, I did the free draw for the Power Weld welding helmet that Rob kindly donated to the channel. It hasn't been claimed, so I'm going to put the winner on here again. The little draw is going to come on the end of this video. If it isn't claimed within another couple of weeks, I'll just raffle it again. Right, Jonathan Easton, all you've got to do is send me an email, that's my email address up there, and I'll get this posted off to you. There'll be a double boost cabinet as well, and one or two other little bits and pieces.